yeah, this is gonna be a teardown of this wireless G adapter, network adapter. You can see that I don't really care about. Just a shitty thing. And yeah, I'm gonna show the teardown of this. First off, one sec. Oh, falling down, falling down, falling down, falling down. Thing and falling down. That doesn't matter. You can see inside it goes like this. I really use my fingers because it's already open before. Open. You can see the inside. Doesn't matter. Just making sure. Okay. You can see chip, the USB adapter. Let's see, hood, open hood. You can open where you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna focus this thing. You guys can't really see it properly. Doesn't matter. You can see this focused in a way. You can see how this USB is made. This is the back side of it. This is the back side. This is the front side. Back side. Front side. Back side. Okay. Pop this thing open. You can see from the back. You can see this side. That's how it's made. The fronts. Fucking ass. Okay. Front side. You can see the chip. Processing chip for a wireless connection. This is the most important, that's why it's protected. It's the most sensitive part too. At this end, so you put this on back. Slide it back in. See that clip to hold it? That's why I just use my fingernail. No way you push it in as much. You do that. It opens it. And you can see easily put it back on properly. Clipped on properly. You must, everybody, must put this thing back on properly. But it's just a slide in. Easy. Basic. Yeah, off this camera. this thing back on. Right now, you guys can't see me, of course, because my freaking camera, GoPro camera is broken. So, see this game. Put it back on. Clip it back on. You can see it's clipped back on. It's completely done. This is garbage because this is my old one. And yeah, I hope. Yeah, it's kind of trash. Just nobody wants it, so I don't know what to do with this. And I'm thinking of saying this to should we microwave this show? Is it a good idea to microwave this show on YouTube? And yeah, if they submit this, hope they somehow this may be fun to microwave this, because this thing is trash. I have a better one anyway. It's like here, kiss, okay.